Some Mininfra models operate with sample holders for sample presentation. For floor analysis, a special 4 mm cuvette is needed. The cuvette itself consists of two parts. The bottom part B is marked with a red, the cover C is marked with a green arrow. Put a paper sheet on the table. Afterwards, place the bottom part B on the sheet, the red arrow pointing upwards. Heap it with the floor sample and make the surface of the floor even with the screen. Remove the superfluous quantity of the floor by curved short edge of the screen. The surface of the floor must be even and at the level of the edge of the cuvette. Snap part C to part B. Clean the closed box with the brush without touching the glasses. Put the cuvette into the sample holder, slide it under the springs and click it to its place. Insert the sample holder into the instrument and you can start the measurement.